Hello friends, welcome to the world of Streamlit. As we have gone through many videos on Streamlit such as age, gender, face recognition and emotion prediction using Streamlit, flowers recognition, virtual makeup, image classification and many more videos on Streamlit. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. As we have gone one video long back ago that was using Python pixel level image comparison. Today's video is enhancement of previous video. In today's video I will be encrypting the image due to which pixel value changes. Now we will see the code. Here is the program, importing required libraries needed for the program, then image upload, then here enter key to encrypt the image and rest of the part. Now I will execute the program. Yes, I will take the image. Right now you can observe here the pixel value are same, 191, 190, 190, 196, everything is same. Now what I will do, I will encrypt the image here. Now here pixel value changes, here pixel value changes. So encrypted image with changing pixel value. So I can download the original image, we can see here, and I can also download the encrypted image. We can see here in download. Yes, this is encrypted image and this is original image. So I have successfully done with image encryption using Streamlit. I will be back with more videos on Node.js, Python, PHP, Java. Thanks for watching.